This is section 2 and video 2. In previous video we created a page called result.php, which will come when someone will write something here and just click search now. So they will be coming to this page, result.php, user query, search now, and this and that. Okay, this page is empty. We can make it a little bit beautiful by simply going to search.html, copying the form tag to save the time, and just paste it over here, and we'll just remove this image and we'll just say user keyword to change the name of the input, user keyword, in the search to result, the name of the search box. Control S to save, and we will also remove this placeholder from this because we don't need it here. Now refresh this page and someone will write again, and click this. So they are coming to this page, or here you can see. Basically we are taking the data from the user query. You can see the dynamic URL in the address bar. User query is the name of the field, and there is this text we just wrote in search now. This is all what is a get is going to do, because this time we have a method get, and we added the method get attribute in the form because by this method we can get the data from the browser, from the user's browser, in the address bar, because the value is displayed in the browser's address bar. So therefore we always need to add get method if we want to get the data from the user browser and to show the result. So this is very simple thing. Now come over here to the body, can add a bg color is equal to, again go to W3 schools, write in Google HTML color names, open the W3 schools color page where you can find various colors for using in your web projects, and from here we can pick a color, a code of color or a name of color. For example, we'll add this one. Just paste it here and Control S to save, come and refresh the page. So this is now looking better, and just increase the size to 120 points and refresh the page again. You are seeing something. Moreover, you can just add some styles to the body tag. First you need to insert the style tag for adding CSS styles. This type is text.css, and after that over here and write styles for the body, which is a direct selector in CSS. We would say that the margin left the margin, no, we don't need to get anything here, just leave it empty. If we need anything then we can add later on, but we will just insert, we'll just insert a div tag over here. Div class is equal to results, and we'll add something. We don't need to add anything right now. Just we add the styles for this class. We have added, this is a CSS class which is created in CSS like dot results. Any name you can give, but you have to insert a dot for making it a class, and then you can later on add it anywhere in the HTML tags. I will write just margin margin 5% from all corners, from 4th corners. Now just refresh it. Class result. Actually this is here below the form, so we can also make some, we can also add some span tag over here to write some text. Write your keyword span. You can add a b tag and a b tag close. Span tag is always inserted for a horizontal line or for without breaking the same line. Now just refresh it. This is over here. My god, you need to insert it before the first one. Yeah, Control S to save. Now come back and refresh the page. Oh my god. So write your keyword. So someone will write keyword over here and the result will be displayed if someone is again clicking this button, because the actual data is coming from the search.html page. Now come here and show in the form tag. Below the form tag you can insert PHP codes starting and ending PHP, and after that say if the same statement, if is set $_get and the syntax, and then the argument will be here. You are saying that if the search button is clicked, so what to do? You're just saying, you're just creating a variable get_value, and that will be equal to $_get, and small brackets you can write user_query. Control S to save. Just Control X to cut that and paste it them here. Now echo, actually you can echo this div over here. Echo and make the double quotes to single, because you cannot add single tags, sorry, you cannot add double tags while you also have double quotes in the echo statement. Now just say you can make some arguments over here, like you are in the div tag, just my god, inside the div tag just echo the get_value variable, and let's check the result. Go back this page, write something like John Doe. Search now. So you are just getting that over here. You can see John Doe. So the margin, we need to increase the margin for this class up to 8 or 10%. Control S to save. Now just refresh this page. You are seeing this over here. Margin left would be good. Margin left would be 10%, and margin right will also be 10%. We don't need margin top. Now you can see the result is here. This should be 12, because still there is some distance. And for margin underscore top, we will use 10 pixel. And pixel is good because it will make a little bit distance. Now it's looking fine. This is the result actually. And we don't need to add the semicolon over here because this is a variable. So anything you will write over here, for example, my name is John Doe. Click search. That will be displaying over here in your search engine results page. But what you are actually going to do is that just remove it from here, and now the actual PHP script will be started from here. Like we are getting the value from the users field, the users value, using this name which is coming from here from search.php page, sorry, from search.html user query. In this field we are getting the user query using get method, and that will we are getting that when the search button is clicked, which is here. We have given the name of search to this button, submit button. So when that is clicked, then we are creating a local variable called get underscore value, and that is bringing this value and passing this to this local variable. And now we will say that result underscore query. This is a MySQL query we are creating now. We are saying that select all. For all we use the static sign, all from sites. But before the PHP, we need to establish a connection with MySQL, which we already did in our previous page. Insert .php page over here. You just need to copy this, because whenever we are dealing with MySQL database, so we need to first establish a connection, whether we are inserting data or we are selecting data from the database. So we must have this connection. We can save this in a separate file, but this time we will keep it as same it is. So we are creating a simple variable, local variable, result underscore query, inside which we are writing a MySQL query select static, means all from sites, where the where condition will be used here because we don't want to show or to call the whole data in the table. We are just saying that where user underscore keywords, sorry, site underscore keywords, like, this time we will use a like statement, and inside two single quotes we will first insert two percentage signs. You can insert by pressing shift and then enter 5, press 5, shift plus 5, and inside that we will write this variable get underscore value. Let me explain this to you. We said we have a query from the user, and we have saved that in this local variable. Now in the query we are saying that select all from sites. A table called sites is here. We are saying select from this table, but we are given a condition or a statement over here where site keywords, this one, this field, site keywords like this one, this value. If this is the site keywords field or column is having matched words with this one, which is coming from the user's input, so then what to do? Find the relevant result by like query, and you have to insert two percentage signs, or you can say parenthesis, you can say another name is also used for this, but you can simply say the percentage signs. Now when we have created this local variable and the queries inside that, we can say that run result, this is a new variable equal to MySQL underscore query, and the query we are running is this one, result dot query. So now the query has been run and saved into this variable. Run underscore result. Now we are saying while, we will create a while loop, and inside that while loop we will use a MySQL function fetch array, and we will save that into another local variable called row underscore result equal to MySQL underscore fetch array, and we are giving the reference of above run result variable, which is a local variable. And after that, just make sure to add a curly bracket and then a curly bracket below here. Now what we are actually going to do, we are actually going to do that MySQL connect. After that the search is clicked, then get the value and save it this local variable, then we are running a query and saving it in local variable, and after that we have run the query, MySQL query, a default function, we have given the reference of this variable result underscore query. Now in the last important section we are just running a while loop, and we are fetching the rows over here, these rows, we are fetching them from the database, from the table, and saving into local variable row. Now what we need to do is actually to add or to select the specific fields from the database. So we need to create more variables over here, local variables, for example like site title is equal to above row underscore result array, because we have an array now by using this MySQL fetch array, so we can select any data we want. So inside the site title we will get the site title field from the table site title, and after that I can just copy this whole line by Ctrl C and put it 1, 2, paste it 5 times. The second one will be site link, also I will change it here, and the third one is actually site keywords. Let me check, let me confirm it. Yes, site keywords, and this is also site keywords, and the fourth one is site DSC and site description, site DSC, and the fifth one and the last one is site image, is also having the field name site image. Control S to save. Now it is, I think, enough in this video, because I am a little bit tired, and now I will explain the rest of the PHP script in my next video to another section. So stay tuned.